Well, I read through that handbook for the recently deceased. It says, live people ignore the strange and unusual. I myself am strange and unusual. Hey everyone, so today's video is actually going to be a fashion tutorial. So I get told a lot that I look like different actresses: Audrey Hepburn, Judy Garland, the character Peggy Carter, and Winona Ryder. So I'm actually a big Tim Burton fan. I love all of his films, and in his film Beetlejuice, Winona Ryder plays a character named Lydia Deetz. Now her character is very gothic inspired. One of the first times you see her, she's walking around with an all black outfit with a big black hat, and she's photographing the new house. So I've seen different variations of this outfit, but I've yet to see a 1950s style variation of that outfit. And so I decided to do that and kind of put my own twist on it. So this outfit's inspiration is based off of how I think Lydia Deetz would have dressed if she lived in the 1950s. If she lived in the 1950s, I really feel like she would have taken inspiration from Vampira, like the long black flowy dresses and the long black hair, and I really feel like as well she would have taken inspiration from the 1950s horror movies. Now, through research, you will see that 1950s horror movies, the actresses would wear black lipstick a lot, and I really feel like Lydia Deetz, if she had lived in 1950s, she would have also incorporated black lipstick into her daily makeup. So for my outfit, I just pieced together things I already had lying in my closet, and I just kind of put together what I would have thought she would have worn. So one of the pieces is this long black polka dot tulle floor-length dress. I, again, really feel like she would have worn long black flowy dresses similar to this one. This one was actually thrifted a few years ago. I got it for only $5, and it's one of my favorite pieces in my wardrobe. Second is this black spiderweb print caplet. I've actually had this for a couple years now, and I really feel like it's something she would have worn if she lived in the 1950s. Not only pulling from the 1950s horror films, but also from doing my own research as well. Women did wear spiderweb print dresses and even bathing suits from the 1950s, and they did wear spiderweb print clothing items possibly even as early as 1920s as well. And pulling inspiration from my own love of spiderweb, but also pulling inspiration from the Beetlejuice cartoon, where she is wearing a red spiderweb print cape. Last but not least is a straw or wicker black woven hat. She's wearing one exactly like this in the film when you see her walking around taking photos. Only difference is hers has a dome-shaped crown and mine has a flat-shaped crown. Now, upon doing research, women wear hats just like this anywhere from the 50s and earlier to places like the beach or to the park and stuff like that. And again, this is just something that I've had in my closet for a while. This outfit's just created from me pulling things from my closet that I already had. My whole life is a dark room. One big, dark room. If you liked this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons for future uploads. Thanks for watching.